If you own a business and you have partners, one of the things you need to make sure you have in place is a buy-sell agreement, and specifically what happens if one of the partners passes away. The easiest way to handle this is with a life insurance policy on the different partners. Now, there's many different ways to do this. It can be a policy that's owned on each one of the partners by each other, which a lot of times is beneficial unless there's a bunch of partners and then there's a lot of policies in place, or the company can buy the policy. But really what happens is that money goes to pay out the ownership share to that family so that now it can be retained among the other partners. It's extremely important to have in place, and it's generally pretty inexpensive because you're going to utilize a term policy for this. Sometimes you can use a permanent, and there are cases for that, but for the most part, it's a term policy that you can utilize to make sure that if something happens and one of your partners passes away, the business can carry on and that ownership's retained with the remaining partners and the family of the deceased is taken care of. So if you have questions on how that works and how you can get that in place for your business, if you have partners, reach out to me.